This video will teach you how to put a border around text in a Google Doc. Using a table. Open a Google Doc. Click Insert. Hover over Table and click the square in the top left. This will create a table with a single cell that will act as a border for your text. Type or paste text into the table. Resize the table. You can adjust the size of the table by holding down on one side of the border, then dragging it and releasing at the desired size. Adjust the style of the table and border. Optional. Using paragraph styles. Open a Google Doc. Click in front of the piece of text you would like to put a box around. Click Format. Hover over paragraph styles and select Borders and Shading. Click the first 4 boxes next to Position. Each of these boxes corresponds to a different line in your border, so enabling all of them will fully construct your text box. Adjust your border width, style, color, background color, and space between your border and your text using the drop-down menus to the right of each heading. Click Apply. You should now see a box around your text. Using a text box in a drawing. Open a Google Doc. Click Insert. Hover over Drawing and select New. Click the text box icon. Draw your text box. Click and drag to create a text box of the size you choose. Type your desired text. Click the border weight icon and select a weight. Customize other border settings. Optional. Click Save and Close. You have now created a box around text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.